An estimated 130 people die every day from opioid-related overdoses. Narcan nasal spray is a safe, easy-to-use medication that can reverse an opioid overdose and help save lives. A person overdosing on opioids is usually deeply sleepy or unresponsive and may have small pupils, blue lips or fingertips, and shallow or slow breathing. If you think someone is having an opioid overdose, call 911 or direct someone else to. Then turn the person on their side to help keep their airway open. Ideally, give Narcan quickly. If you or another bystander don't have Narcan, it may be nearby with the other emergency equipment. First, remove the Narcan spray from its package. Now place your thumb on the bottom of the plunger and your second and middle fingers around the nozzle. Tilt the person's head back and insert the spray into one nostril. Give a quick, firm push. Remove the spray and watch the person closely. If they don't show any change within 5 minutes, give them a second spray of Narcan if you have it. When help arrives, an emergency responder will take over. Be ready to help them by answering their questions. In an emergency, minutes matter, and the most basic education can save lives and improve outcomes in our community.